This WeatherSmith update is sponsored by our friends at Alliance Maintenance.
Hello, everybody. New severe thunderstorm warning. Let's zoom in here. Altamont, Mound Valley, Edna, just east of Coffeyville here. 60 quarter-size hail. We're also tornado possible tag still with this. Mainly for the Liberty area. This thing's just keeps cycling itself and cycling itself. Just southwest of Liberty. Looking at CC, I don't see any concerns with that, as I don't believe we have one on the ground or anything like that. Just tornado possible tag. Zooming out here, we still got scattered showers from Sedan all the way to Springfield and then even further east. But the Tulsa radar doesn't pick those up. Severe thunderstorm watch still valid till 1 a.m. tonight. So we got 6 hours, 45 minutes on that. Outside that, just the new warning. We'll just continue watching and definitely post updates through the afternoon and evening.